night when we kissed, it took my breath away. It goes without saying, I'll say anyway. The vows go unbroken, you still know I do. Love given, no love, always true to me. Though I have been tempted, though I have never strayed, I'll die before I die. This union we have made. The vows go unbroken, you still know I do. Love given, no love, always true. I knew from the first that for better or worse, I'd stand by you, love, and the vows go unbroken, and you still know I do. Love given, no love, always true to you. Love given, no love, always true. Wow. Karibu sana mtazamaji wetu wa Sky Cable TV Kenya. Mara tena tunasema karibu sana. Leo ni siku ya Sunday.
Yes.
Na siku ya Sunday ndio huwa tunakutana mahali hapa tukikuletea The Springs of Country. Nyimbo ambazo tunapenda, nyimbo ambazo zina dhudhera. Zina dhudhera roho yako, roho yangu, roho zetu. Zinadhoa. MC anasema nyimbo ambazo zinadhoa roho zetu.
Yes.
Na kwa hivyo kama kawaida huwa tunasema ya kwamba hapa kwa Sky Cable TV wakati ambapo unataka kuwa pamoja nasi, chukua simu yako, ingia pale kwa Facebook, Facebook, search Sky Cable TV Kenya. Na ukisearch Sky Cable TV Kenya utatupata mahali hapo, na wakati huu tuko live, na tunazidi kuamini ya kwamba ukiwa mahali pale hata wewe utaenjoy. Sky Cable TV Kenya Facebook, unapata pia in our YouTube page Sky Cable TV Kenya, search mahali pale na utatupata mahali pale tukikuletea nyimbo ambazo upendazo, The Springs of Country. Na pia huwa tunasema kwamba subscribe, also like our page na weka comment yako mahali hapo pia. So kama kuna wimbo unataka tukuchezee, tuma mahali pale and we are ready to pray for you that song. Na mimi jina langu naitwa Dan the Sheriff hapa Sky Cable TV Kenya, na kama kawaida nakuwa na yule ambaye tunakuwa na yeye tukisaidia na hapa kuongea na kuleta ku make the show kuwa beautiful. His name is
Sir Joss.
Sir Joss.
Welcome.
The country boy. Sir Joss the country boy, nami Dan the Sheriff. hapa Sky Cable TV Kenya. Praise your request mahali hapo. Leo tunacheza instrument zote na kwa hivyo so tunakuambia endelea kuenjoy. Today we are praying you if you want a song done by keyboard or through guitar, utaenjoy mahali pale, na mimi najua ya kwamba tutazidi kuwa pamoja. Na wimbo ambao tunaenda kucheza saa hii ni wimbo wa Don William, the song that we love so much, wimbo ambao aliimba kama prayer. Wimbo ambao unaitwa Lord, I hope this day is good.
Na waitishe request. Wa request na watobie dedication kwa nani?
Leo by the way leo ni siku ya Father's Day.
Today is Father's Day.
Kwa hivyo kama unamuitishia babako a song, please let us know and we are going to pray that
most
song.
Most of us like you. It's a Father's Day for you.
It's a Father's Day to me.
Kwangu, upcoming Father's Day. Upcoming father.
An upcoming father, but also you can so request for your father or a person that you love, yule mtu ambaye is a father to you or a father figure to you. Request a song for him. Na najua ya kwamba that person will enjoy that song,
and we're gonna pray for you.
So we're going to pray for you first. Lord, I hope this day is good.
Oh yes.
I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. Lord, have you forgotten me? I've been praying to you faithfully. I'm not saying I'm a luckiest man, but Lord, I hope you understand. I don't need fortune and I don't need fame. All I am asking is a little respite. It might be hard for the devil to do, but really be easy for you. Lord, I hope this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. You've been the king since the dawn of time. All I am asking is a little respite. It might be hard for the devil to, but it will be easy for you. Lord, I hope this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. I don't need fortune and I don't need fame. Send down the thunder, Lord, send down the rain. When you planning just that's how it will be on a good day for me. Lord, I hope this day's good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day's good. Wimbo wa Don William na nasema kwamba Lord, I hope this day is good. So
yes.
Tumesema ya kwamba tuendelee kuweka our request mahali pale,
Yes.
na kutuma comment, na ninajua ya kwamba tutakuwa kwa pamoja.
Yeah.
So today tunaenda kufanya nyimbo ambazo ni playlist ambayo tumepata, watu wamerequest, walirequest na tukuweza kuwachezea, wengine wametuma hapa. So kuna nyimbo ambazo tutawachezea kama zimefuatana. I think about you when I don't want to dream about your smiling face. I keep trying not to love you, but I love you anyway. We should be together, together. We should be walking side by side. We should be together, together, keeping each other satisfied. I hope that you come to know you. I've come to need your company. What will I do if I can't have you? If I can't have you, what will I do? We should be together, together. We should be walking side by side. We should be together, together, keeping each other satisfied. We should be together, together. We should be walking side by side. We should be together, together, keeping each other satisfied. On a warm summer's evening, I'm in Alpha Cloudy when the day is done. There's someone for everyone. Tommy's love was Becky. In her love, he didn't have to prove he was a man. One day while he was walking, the Godwin's boys came calling. They took turn at Becky. There were 3 of them. Tommy opened up the door and saw his Becky crying. Torn dress, shut her face was more than he can stand. He reached above the fireplace, down his daddy's picture. The tears fell on daddy's face. I heard these words again. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble when you can. Now it don't mean you weak if you turn the other cheek. I hope you're old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be a man. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble when you can. Now it don't mean you're weak if you turn the other cheek. I hope you're old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight with your men. Now everyone considered him the coward of Cowrie. Silver coin, now jingle jangle, fancy shoes, now dancing time. Oh, the secret of hard times, they did sing a gypsy rhyme. Yellow clover and tangled blossom in the meadow silky green. World had me to her bosom, just a boy of 17. I recall a gypsy woman, silver spangles in her eyes, ivory skin against the moonlight, and the taste of life's sweet wine. I recall a gypsy woman, silver spangles in her eye, ivory skin against the moonlight, and the taste of life's sweet wine. MC,
Oh yeah.
unajua hiyo song wakati ambapo inaimbwa na ukisikiza, unajua sasa wanaimbia ni kama Don William huwa anasifu huyo msichana. Lakini
Yeah.
kuna mambo ambayo huwa anasema inanifurahisha sana. Wakati anasema ya kwamba
Yeah.
that you held me in your bosom, just a boy of 17. Unajua kwa bosom, unajua ni kwa kifua.
Hapo. Yeah.
Hapo.
Yeah.
Ni kwa kifua. Sasa you can imagine.
It was just a boy of 17, eh?
A boy, unajua sasa ijapokuwa sasa ni hawa vijana wa Nairobi wanajua maisha, ama wa town wanajua maisha mapema.
Lakini inaonekana kama huyo jamaa alianzia mapenzi kitambo sana.
Wapi? Unaona akisema hapa ati
Yeah.
I think this ni kama ndio wimbo ya kwanza aliimba kuhusu mapenzi. Wakati huo unajua a 17 year boy
Alikuwa mtu mkubwa sana.
Well, ndio alikuwa ako katika ile group ya adolescents. Alafu sasa you can imagine sasa anasema ya kwamba you hold me to on your bosom, just a boy of 17. You can imagine that feeling. You are a teenager.
Umeshiku umeletwa
Hapa. Yeah.
kwa kifua.
Kwa kifua. Ya a lady.
Oh yes.
And that's why anasema I recall.
Oh, yes.
I recall a gypsy woman, silver spangles in her eye, ivory skin against the moonlight, and the taste of love's sweet wine. So,
mimi nimejaribu kufikiria my first time kuletwa hapa.
How old were you?
I can't even remember.
You cannot remember. Na unajua hii song
Yeah.
anaimba hii song sasa akiwa na miaka imeenda. Na still ana recall,
anakumbuka.
Kwa hivyo na hata wewe ukiwa hapa unajua ya kwamba unaweza kumbuka the first girl.
He was the first lover. That's why he remembers everything about the lady.
Of course. Of course, that was the first lover. I was listening kuna a friend of mine.
Yeah.
Lakini
Yeah,
Ananiambia kuhusu the first love ambaye alikuwa naye na ile mambo ambayo alipitia. He still recall.
Yeah.
Hata kitu kidogo tu hivi
aliwahi mfanyia.
Anakumbuka.
And I think hii kitu inakuwa kwa kila mtu.
It is, unajua kitu ya kwanza kufanya lazima ukumbuke mambo mingi.
Si ndio? And that's why we say hakuna mtu ambaye hana historia. Either good or bad. Kila mtu ana historia.
Yes.
Mahali umefika saa hii,
kila mtu ana historia yake. Na historia ya mapenzi imetoka mbali sana.
Hatukuianzisha hapa Kenya. Ilitoka huko.
Ilikuwa na imekuwa na itaendelea.
Yes.
Tukiingia kwa mitambo kidogo, tumesema kwamba watu watume request zao na comment zao. Na ninaona what do you see in your page
mtu anaitwa Jenjene. Anasema akotienda, anasema nichezee moja Locking Ears by Dolly Parton.
Locking Ears by Dolly Parton. Well, that is Jenny. Jenny.
Eunice Kafula. Niko fiti sana. Na mtu anaitwa Eliud Kemani. Baba Shilo.
Yes.
Na mtu anaitwa Michael Kang'ethe. Anasema akotienda. Anatusikiliza kutoka Kagemi.
He's watching from Kagemi. Michael Kang'ethe.
Eunice Kafula. True, you don't have to fight to be a man. 100%.
Who is that?
Eunice Kafula.
Anasema. Na ninaona anasema Eunice Kabura anasema nichezee Vows Go Unbroken please. Sawa. Although tumecheza but we will play it again tukimalizia. So that you can feel maybe tukicheza hakuwa. So na anasema please ukiremember to share this stream and tag your friends please. Well, that is
Steve. Nasema enjoy the show. Nichezee Señorita
by Don William. What?
Hii ni wimbo ile ya Señorita. Ama say
it is that one. Señorita.
Keep tuned. Kapale tunakuchezea wimbo.
Well, John Steve, we are going to give you that. We are going to serve you hot. That one.
Lord Daniel Mudhoni. Anasema anatufuata unyo. Ako hapa nyuma yetu. Naona mtu anaitwa MC Dex.
MC Dex.
Anasema he's getting a live clear from Juja.
He's tuned from Juja, getting you live and clear.
Eunice Kavula anasema hi everyone, watching from Nanyuki.
Mwisho wa reli. Na Ruth Daniel, kuna song ali request last time. Tukamguzia tu because of time. But Ruth Jerry, that is the next song tunaenda kukuchezea saa hii. Alikuwa ameitisha wimbo ya Don William. Inaitwa Wildflower. So Ruth Daniel, we are going to give you that song right now. Na we hope that you are going to enjoy.
So you sit down, you relax,
you enjoy. And you enjoy.
Yes.
So those are some of the comments ambazo watu wanazidi kutuma. Na endelea kutuma, endelea kuweka request. Kwa hivyo kuna nyimbo ambazo tutachezea. Na Eliud Kemani following skize Ruth Daniel. Well. That is good.
So Eunice Kafula anasema kwa mwisho wa reli.
Mwisho wa reli. Kule nyanyi etagodo.
Nyanyuki Nanyuki.
Etago Nanyuki ama Nyanyuki.
Whatever man.
What do we call it?
Sasa. Huwa kwa mwisho wa reli. Hii reli ilifika mwisho kwa nini?
Reli ya Nanyuki wanasema wale watu wanajenga. Well, I don't know, but maybe tutakuja kujua kwa nini. Na kuna mtu aliniambia ya kwamba ukikuja unichezee wimbo, kuna wimbo ambao aliniambia napenda sana ni ya Dolly Parton. Na aliniambia inaitwa that song. Ya kwamba Mama, when you pray tonight, say a special prayer for me.
special prayer.
And there is something very, very special about that song.
Yeah.
Wanasema, Mama, when you pray tonight, say a special prayer for me. I need your tender good. I miss your tender good night kiss of love and understanding. The good night kiss I'm getting are cruel and so demanding. So mama, when you pray tonight and wear your own knees, mama, pray a special prayer for me. MC, there is something special about that.
Wazazi watuombee sana.
Anasema ya kwamba mama, when you pray tonight, ya kwamba the good night kiss now that we are getting,
oh yes,
are cruel
compared.
They are cruel and so demanding.
Yeah.
Na wewe unakumbuka ya kwamba I think MC, wacha tuchambue hiyo wimbo tukifanya huu wimbo ambao unaitwa Word Flowers. We are going to chambua that song because it has a very great meaning.
Oh yes.
Mama, when you pray tonight,
yeah, say a special prayer for me.
The hills were alive with wildflowers and none were just wild, even wilder than them. For trees are cool and they just died in the sun, and I refuse to just wither in pain. As the mountain grows, needing freedom to grow, so I ran fearing up where I'll go. Whoa, whoa. When the flowers grow, I can only survive. What flowers don't care where they grow. And the flowers are new in the field that I'll grow, just live. So as the road marine needing freedom to grow, so I'll end filling up where I'll go. Whoa, whoa. When a flowers grow, it can only survive. Don't care where they grow. Anasema kuhusu the word flower.
Oh, yeah.
A very beautiful song. Ya word flower. So
they don't determine where they grow.
They don't care.
Ni kama tu sisi.
Wherever they grow.
Ni kama tu sisi.
Ni kama
hakuna kura ulipeana ndio uweze kuzaliwa hapa Kenya. Ulijipata tu pa.
Ulijipata tu.
Kenya. Siona. Sasa si ni kama tu maua.
Ni kama tu
choose.
They don't care where they grow. So kama vile tulisema ya kwamba today is Father's Day.
Oh yes.
Na mimi ni baba.
Upcoming father.
Na wewe ni upcoming father. Baba Shiro is a father. That's
Baba Shiro is a father here.
Sindio?
Yeah, Baba Shiro is a father.
Na our producer Dan.
Ay. Dan.
Well. Maybe he's a father. You never know.
Who knows?
Well, yeah, but he has a father, of course.
But I know everyone is a father.
Everyone is a father.
Everyone is a father, always everyone is a dad.
And everyone is a dad.
Yeah.
Well and good.
Oh yes.
Wow. So, request wimbo ambao unataka tuchezee your father.
Yeah.
And we are going to do it.
Yeah.
Back in the innocent day.
Yeah.
There was a young cowboy who was in love with a Mexican girl.
Oh yes.
Only that she did never realize. Just live for a moment And that cowboy never knew how he could win the heart of that Mexican girl. Señorita, passing by, pardon me if I stop and ask you why. Señorita, could it be someone like you who love someone like me? Señorita, passing by, pardon me if I stop and ask you why. Señorita, could it be someone like you could love someone like me? No mwanake ucio ni akinywe handu riria arigirwo uria kuwin ngoro ya muiritu ucio.
Yes.
Na muthenya umwe ni aikurukire handu karuwi-ini aria athiaga kurikiria meciria make.
Yes.
Ni karuwi kari kahoreru na konekaga kena tumai twa buru.
Yes.
Na ni haria mundu angia heartbreakirwo,
Yeah.
haria athiaga gwetha thayu. Na mwanake ucio inamirire mai-ini macio nionire reflection ya a Mexican girl uria arigaga uria kumu approach.
Yes.
Na akirigo kana niwe wona uguo. No riria acokire kurugama, he saw a Mexican girl standing beside him. Na muthenya ucio ona wiki ndiathirire, that cowboy fell in love with that Mexican.
Yes.
And they got married. Señorita, passing by, pardon me if I stop and ask you why. Señorita, could it be someone like you could love someone like you could love someone like you could love someone like me. Hiyo song ilikuwa imeitishwa na John Steve.
Yeah.
So John Steve, I think tumekuchezea na tume utafsiri.
Tumeweka salt.
Na tumeweka You know I love you and I always will. I know you married but I love you still. The day I married you, my heart spoke to me. It said to love you through eternity. Now knowing that you're another's friend, I vow I'll always stay close by your side. You know I love you and I always will. I know you married but I love you still. You broke a heart that was dying for you. I gave this life to belong to you. The game is over now and we both know. Our broken heart will have to pay the toll. You know I love you and I always will. I know you're married but I love you still. You know I love you and I always will. I know you're married but I love you still.
Oh yes.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Nasema naona maliko zimekaa mkukumu.
Hey,
yeah.
But I love you still. Anaitwa Dolly Parton.
Sijui nianze na gani. Eunice Kafula.
Yes.
Anasema our mom's prayer protects us from all sorts of evils.
Anasema aje?
Our mom's prayer protects us.
Yes.
From all sorts of evils.
Evil. Of course. And let me tell you before you continue reading the comment about that thing.
Oh, yes.
Mromani alisema ya kwamba I have kissed so many frogs.
Guy.
Na Dolly Parton anasema ya kwamba some kisses are so cruel and so demanding. Sawa? So I've kissed so many frogs. And let me tell you, Sir Josh.
Let me ask. Unasema aje? You have kissed. Ama unamaanisha?
Nimesema Aromania said that.
Oh,
Aromanian said that.
Okay.
Ya kwamba before getting a true love. Yes? Alisema ya kwamba I kissed so many frogs. Oh. Na nikakumbuka ya kwamba kuna a frog.
A frog. Siula.
Kiura.
Okay.
Wakati ambapo inataka kukula. Niliona ya kwamba chura. Siku moja chura walikuwa marafiki sana na a locust. They were very great friends.
Locust. This is the dahi.
Dahi.
Exactly.
Dahi. Yegetono.
Yes.
They were a great friends.
Yeah.
Lakini Getono haikuwa inajua ya kwamba chura alikuwa tu na jinsi alikuwa anataka amkule.
Okay.
But they were friends. Na wakakaa miaka mingi wakiwa marafiki.
Lakini kuna ule anamezea mwingine mate.
Kuna ule anamezea mwingine mate. Na chura unajua wale kama mtu ashaangalia chura vizuri. Chura midomo ya chura.
Nakaanga hivi.
Kuna vile inakaanga. Na sasa ukisikia mtu akisema kwamba I kissed so many frogs.
So many shulas.
Before I get my own.
Oh yes.
A true love. Alikuwa ameangalia midomo ya frog vile inakaa. Na unajua akisema hivyo, unajua frog whenever anasema I kissed so many frog. Yes. Mama, I need your kiss ilikuwa very good one.
Special.
A special one. Kwa sababu nowadays before MC you get a true love. Utakuwa umepitia watu wengi sana, si ndio? Na wengine anakuja tu anakujifanya ni rafiki yako, you are in love, anajifanya is a lover. Anaenda kukukiss lakini mkono yake inakupora mfuko yako ya nyuma.
Ama hata si kukupola. Anakukisi hivi, lakini mkono ingine.
Anagukoma.
Those are frogs. Hizo ni zio siula.
Wengine wako hapo akukule kumalize.
Kweli.
Wengine wako hapo so before you get a true love. And
Kisa
that's why Dolly Parton anasema kwamba some kisses are so cruel Nyingine zikitakuteza, wengi watakupora. Ufollow otigo we empty handed. Othiage dinave linago. Akuya naona tu.
Na niliona if you come across mfuko ya nyuma ya mwanaume.
Ikiwa
ameenda kutoa sana sana the jeans.
Yeah.
Na hizi zingine they don't portray the picture.
Yeah.
Lakini ya material.
Yes.
Kuweka kitu kwa mfuko hivi.
Hivyo.
Ukipolo mfuko inatokanga nje. So ukisikia mtu anamwambia baba rudisha mfuko. My friend.
Ujue alipolo na chura.
Ufolilione kiora tena.
Chura ilipita na wewe.
Kweli.
So where are we?
Yeah. Wacha tuone request hapa.
Yes.
Naona mtu anaitwa Ruth Daniel Muthoni. Anasema kindly pray love desperately. Love you desperately by Don William.
Wow. Loving you desperately.
Alafu naona mtu anaitwa Eunice Kafula. Sija naambia Kim unless uchezewe ya Demathio.
Gani hiyo?
Wacha tuone.
Chura mingi.
Eliud Kimani Baba Shiro.
Yes.
1 John Demathio. Ongeda kona sirowa.
Anataka that song.
Hiyo ndio anataka. Kuna mtu anaitwa Eunice Kafula. Sema happy Father's Day.
Yes.
Happy
Father's Day too.
Who play both lots of moms and dad in their kids' lives.
Kamjoro anasema ya kwamba I'm a father too.
Kamjoro.
Sio huyo. Bana.
Okay.
Anasema father too. Anasema pia anaitwa Baba Siro. Asante sana Kamjoro.
Karibu sana. Eunice Kafula. May I take this chance to wish all happy Father's Day.
Yes.
You all.
Yes.
Eliud Kimani Baba Shiro ana request moja. Kikuyu country song.
Kikuyu country. Gani hiyo?
Romero wa Kikuyu.
Moja ya Kikuyu.
Ruth Daniel happy Father's Day.
Yes, happy Father's Day too. Wow.
Ruth Daniel.
Yes.
Thanks Shirley for the request. Flowers. Umemchezea hiyo.
Yeah, we have done that. Na anasema Ruth Daniel anasema kwamba happy Father's Day to all fathers.
Yeah.
In the house, wherever they are.
In the house.
In the house. Happy Father's Day to them. They really played a very great role for us to be seen.
Kamjoro Daniel anasema I'm father too. Naitwa Baba Shiro. Hiyo tumesoma. Hapo chini kuna kitu kingine nimeona ameandika. Hebu nichezee moja ya Kamaro. Ile wanjiraga njo.
So that is the one we are going to ifanya ikiwa kama nini. So huyu Kamjoro ni yule tulikuwa is our producer, ni yeye tulikuwa tunasema ama. So amesema yes, it is me.
Baba.
So
Kamjoro anasema
ameenda step
bado yeye ni baba.
Bado yeye ni baba.
Bado yeye ni baba.
Yes. Rebecca Duati.
Yes.
Anasema ya kwamba Eunice Kapura niko hapa, thanks. Wow, that is great. Atichura ni Atichura ni watu wa poraji.
Sisi hatujasema hivyo.
Unajua hata mtu akihubiri mtu anachukua neno vile anataka. Sisi hatujasema ni waporaji.
Fadhamo ndio nasikiaga. Sometimes. Okay. Let's play one music hiyo ya Gikuyu music.
Amesema Kamaro.
Ile wanjiraga njoke.
Ile wanjiraga njoke. Nyone mbisha na marua. Ile bwana huru naona inge mwenjaga. Mondo ale komeno ryongeno tamorohi. Oriaga madagiro nyamashiarema. Toti koroganerera tondo goko netaoni. Bingedola torana niengugere ohoro. Motigano njorunda rino yake. Mwelo wakio wadhira gekanyua kanyo. Sasya ko murato geturoria Neteya ko kirutane go wendo Nguosya ko keingera idandoko Kenyambe ngwetekeya Kenyambe ngwetekeya. I hope I'm enjoying that song.
Yes.
Kikuyu song done in the country.
Our late yes. Kamaro.
So kuna Ruth Daniel kuna wimbo ameitisha.
Ruth Daniel.
Yes.
Oh yes. Let me have a look at.
Kuna song ameitisha. Na I think tutamfanyia hata kama ni kumguzia tu kidogo.
Desperately.
Yeah.
Loving Desperately.
Don
Williams.
My heart is out of control. This whole life's torn so. Just live for the moment you're around. When I hold on to you, it's all I can do. Just leave my feet on the ground. Desperately, loving you desperately. When you know here with me, I'm just a little crazy. Constantly, think about constantly. Ruga told you then I'm just a little baby. Oh, I love you desperately. Desperately, loving you desperately. When you know here with me, I'm just a little bit crazy. Constantly, open room constantly. Look at what you've done for me. I'm just a little bit baby. Oh, I love you desperately. Will I cry? Will I laugh? Will I die? Will I live? It so depends upon you. And it's all that yours know to be lost in your home. But I'm not, there's nothing I can do. Desperately, loving you desperately. When you're not here with me, I'm gone a little bit crazy. Constantly, think about it constantly. When I look at what you've done, I'm just a little bit crazy. Oh, I love you desperately. Oh, I love you desperately. That is a song called Desperately. Imefanywa na Don William.
Yeah.
And because of time hatutaimaliza.
Tusisahau kucheza moja.
Yes.
Ya Ogeda Kona Silva by John DeMathew. Hapa naona mtu mwingine mchokozi sana. Eunice Kafula. Anauliza kwani baba Shiro Kamjolo ameacho?
Tumemsema, si ndio? Tumemsema baba Shiro Kamjolo. So tunapoendelea kumaliza.
Yeah.
So nataka tukaweza kufanya wimbo moja ama nyimbo mbili. Kuna wimbo ambao watu wamerequest.
Yes.
I think tutamguzia pia.
Yes.
And a song na nataka pia nilikuwa nataka tuguze wimbo moja ya Ken Rogers.
Yeah.
Anasema Buy Me a Rose.
Yeah.
Is a very good song ambayo imefanywa na Ken Rogers.
Yes.
He works hard to give her rose. He thinks she won't. The car grows her own credit card. He pulls in late to work around. take a kiss goodnight. If we could only read her mind. She said, buy me a rose, call me from work, open that door for me, what would it hurt? Show me you love me by the look in your eyes. These are the little things I need the most in my life. And the days have gone, 2 years of feeling all I know. She can't help but wonder what she's doing wrong. Lately she try anything to turn his head. Wouldn't make a difference, she said. Buy me a rose, call me from work, open the door for me, what would it hurt? Show me you love me by the look in your eyes. These are the little things I need the most in my life. I wanna share your love. I wanna share your love. Every minute, every day and night. And I just want you to know that wherever you go, whatever you do, remember someone loves you, honey. No matter what, just be my girl. Someone loves you, honey, more than anything in the world. I'm glad I'm the one that you come to when you need someone. That's what my love is for. It's a shoulder to lean on, a boat in the storm. Remember, someone loves you, honey. No matter what, just be my girl. Someone loves you, honey, more than anything in the world.
Oh yes.
Wimbo ambao imefanywa na Chari Pride.
Oh yes.
Anasema ya kwamba
Yeah.
someone loves you,
Honey.
honey, more than anything
Yes.
in this world.
Yes.
So
As we are going
as we wind
wide
up,
up,
tuseme ya kwamba tumeshukuru sana kwa sababu ya wale wote ambao wametuma request na wale wote ambao wametu keep company. So we are so grateful for what umeonyesha. Na watu wengi sana wameingia, but wale ambao hatujafanya request zenu, on Sunday still this Sunday we are going to do them na tutakulipia hiyo. Najua ya kwamba utafurahi sana. Na kwa hivyo wale ambao wamemiss pia unaweza ipata that show ambayo tumefanya pale YouTube Sky Cable TV Kenya. ama Facebook pia Sky Cable TV Kenya.
Yes.
Utatupata pale, ingia mahali pale usubscribe.
Yeah.
Na vile tunasema pia subscribe, ulike, na ucomment, na ushare, share and share again. Na show mingi ziko mahali pale. Na hapa Sky Cable TV ni mahali ambapo hauwezi ukaboeka.
Kweli.
Kuna show mingi sana. Kama kesho, kesho kuna show ambayo huwa inaanza saa 8 mpaka saa 10 ya ma DJs na Kigosho, inakuwa Kigosho na DJs.
Yeah.
Pia zinaenda zikifuatana, kuna show ya Lege, kuna show ya Mogidhi, kuna show ya za mahubiri mingi.
Yes.
Na kuna show ingine
ya Muhahe.
Kuna show ya Muhahe wa Kim na Rose.
Yeah.
Na nakwambia ukisikiza hiyo Muhahe, my friend, nita Muhahe ukora gothondekeirwo kwa mushi.
Oh yes,
ukarehwo tu. Ingia hapo na utaenjoy.
Muhahe wina shama.
Muhahe wina shama.
Ti Muhahe mugagatu.
Ti mugagatu. Andũ Nyeri maugaga.
Yeah.
Andũ Nyeri maugaga atiriri.
Muhahe mugagatu.
Wenda gutukenyo turehere Muhahe turehere Muhahe mugagatu.
I like these guys.
Yeah, huwa wana train. Na mahali tuingine huwa wanasema nedigirathire. Nedigire unashindwa sasa, wanaongea opposite.
Anasema nini? Okay.
So
it's a beautiful show.
Our last song ambayo tunaenda kukuambia bye nayo.
Yeah.
The Milky Way upon the heaven is just twinkling for you. And Mr. Moon, he came back to say goodnight to you. I sing for you, I sing for mother, we're praying for the world. And for the people everywhere, gonna show them more we care. Oh, my sleeping child, the world's so on, but to build your own paradise, that's one reason why I'll cover you, sleeping child. If all the people around the world, they have the mind like you, we have no fighting and no war, to be less in peace on earth. If all the kings and all the readers could see you here this way, oh, the earth in their run, they'll run towards you, pray. Oh, my sleeping child, they want so old, but to be rural paradise, that's one reason why I'll cover you, sleeping child. So asante sana mtazamaji wetu.
Yeah.
Na tumeshukuru sana. Na uendelea kutazama na uendelee kuingia. With me, Dan the Sheriff.
Yeah, and I, Sir Josh.
And with our able producer Dan.
Yeah.
And cameraman Kim.
Yeah.
On behalf of them tumesema shukran.
Yeah.
Na asante sana kwa sababu ya kufanya show yetu ifan.
Yes.
Na kuifanya ikuwe lively. We are so grateful for you two guys.
Yes.
And for you MC.
Yeah.
And wewe ambaye umekuwa mahali pale tumesema ni asante sana. So Dan the Sheriff.
Yeah.
So Joes hapa Sky Cable TV every Sunday from 5 to 7 p.m. Meet us and you are going to enjoy the show. So we are so grateful.
Yeah.
Until next Sunday. Bye bye and bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Mpenzi mtazamaji, karibu sana kwenye Sky Cable TV Kenya. Sky Cable TV Kenya is a go-to channel for a message of hope and encouragement. On this channel, you can enjoy watching our engaging, inspiring,
your identity matters. You can never go somewhere, especially if you go to apply for a job and you don't put your identity.
motivating, and encouraging videos. Subscribe now to our channel to get the latest and most relevant updates. Get current information on health issues, diets.
Another do is eat healthy, exercise, boost up your immune.
Christianity, spiritual matters, music.
Start this day like cold rain.
We also offer the following services: wedding coverage, photography, videography, advertisement, production, branding and design, events coverage, and send-off coverage. And here is our contact info. Thanks for watching. Share this video and subscribe now to our channel.